Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Andreas Waatz, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this Netflix tutorial we're gonna learn how to delete continue watching on Netflix in 2019. I'm gonna do this on my desktop. If you are on the phone, I will also create a video about that, so when it's done I will leave a link in the description. Okay? Okay, so as you can see I got this continue watching for Andreas on my Netflix account, and you see all of these videos, series and things like that. So I want to remove, let's say I want to remove Our Planet. So to do this, just go up to the top right corner to this drop down menu, go down to Account, click on that, and go down to My Profile and click on Viewing Activity, click on that. Alright, so here we got my activity. You see all of these videos, you see the date, you see the movie. And I want to remove this Our Planet. So I will go and see if I can find it. Okay, so I got it right here. And now go next to report a problem. Click on this one, hide from viewing history. Click on that. Like that. So within 24 hours, Our Planet Season 1, The High Seas, will no longer appear in the Netflix service as a title you have watched and will no longer be used to make recommendations to you unless you watch it again. Okay, so I'm gonna remove all of these. Like that, and let's go back and have a look. Go to home, go down, and as you can see under continue watching for Andreas, you see that Our Planet is gone. Okay, so this is how to delete continue watching on Netflix in 2019. And if you want to do this on the phone, you can go to the link in the description and watch that video. Okay, so I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so this is the end of this tutorial. I hope this helped. If you want, you can leave a comment below. You can subscribe to my channel right here. And also check out my latest video right here. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.